Khublei pi barok syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke Shillong. Ya kenduk ke san fidan nongrum ke baletep gol ha Asian Football Confederation Tournament yo menteri rangba. Penlong Science Exhibition ke School Alpha Nongpo Ban Pencelur ye ki Samla pulih. Theli ke Stock Shemjing ki Gas Agency Ban Pendiang Gas ye ki Patpa. Huk ke Sports Mangkathiang Makdok Memorial Secondary School Nongnup Umpawit. Bat mentayin pa siya ki Khubor bakampanya. Kathayili akay football jangkari India ke Sanfida Nongrum kalatep gol ha kajingili akay Asian Football Confederation kabalalong dangshen ha Australia ha ka arpaw tarik Lber kalay kendu markmat ya menteri rangba Konrad ki Sangma ha kamra tarik kamjung ha sekretariat. Kasanfida kadai kathayili akay kabalatep ikakul beningkong jong ke India hadin arpulai snem ha kalumpung AFC Asian Cup kabadang longshen ha Australia. Menteri rangba ulapan pau ya ke jingkemen ba kasanfida kelawan rak buram ya ke Jylla bat kelalong kanongili akay beningkong ban mikmat ya kari na ke Jylla. Menteri rangba ulapulut por ban ya kren bat kini ke Samla badang ke dangsan kabalalong ke jingsarong ya ke Jylla bat ya kari barok kawai.
We can offer you some tea, coffee. Don't it? What about your support I could give that time I announced? But I just wanted to know if there's anything more we can do to support you further, to help you, and because we would like to see that sports persons like you should become inspiration for others. So it's not about you alone; it's about what message you will give to the youngsters about hard work, discipline. So I would like to see that. So if there's anything you want to say, you want to mention to me, then you can always take this opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the cash award you gave me also.
Okay, you deserve it. You deserve much more.
And I feel honored to support me also. Support me. Thank you so much.
I was thinking we'll also, because you see what I'm starting one small program where I want to tell these different cement companies, that they bring all these big stars and they put all their big photos and all that, and they give the money to them. So I've told all of the companies now that I want you to pick up, our local boys and girls now, and it's not a big amount, but whatever small amount you can give to each one of them, and then they'll use your photo, of course, for their advertisement and all. So I'm starting that program also. So I'm calling all of them. I've given some names already, so I'll be giving your name also to them that they should give you. Then they call you and then they'll think. So just take note of that. Shillong? Yes, sir. Yeah. So we'll do whatever we can do for the support you.
Thank you, sir.
And just want to ask, how was the feeling when you scored the goal? Was it great?
So really happy.
Yeah, we all are feeling very happy. Great. So congratulations. Thank you once again. May God bless you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Kakateng jangan di Sanfida Nongrum masa amopat di kamu ke experience pangalek kai bat national team kalang ka ban dan ringkat lambat ki seniors ban kumno ban yang keren bat ki kalong hakan te ningkok nge tengah ningkok nge tengah traji suba dan ringkat lambat nga hadukan ni ka thongbo dan ringkat banga message what give up in your dream ke bafi dream long what do you give up work hard bit thumu ya kawi ka goal bafi don te long tray
Ka Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpo ha ka arpaw tarik Lber kalapulong ya ka third annual science exhibition ha phalau jang school kum shibanta ban rakhi ka National Science Day but ha ka Khubor da kini ke science exhibition lapan shluri ki khana school ban twet bat lum jing tip halor ki phang jing start science babunjat ban yarap ha jing puli jangki ha kini ka juk ka science kari ka benta bakongsan ha ka jing em baman ka sngi jung ki briu ha ka leng ka parthai Haba play kini ke science exhibition la shimenta da ke principal kong WK Bla bat la sakilang da vice principal Dr. KB Karpteng unong hikai science Babu Madhav Singh kino hikai bat ki khana school jong kini ke school. Hakini ke science exhibition ki don hadu arpo artli ki model ki pelashna bat pen create di ki khana school halor ki phang bapher ki be a day bat ka jing start science babunjat.
Down here, theme is given STEM for Vikasit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. So STEM, what is STEM? So STEM consists of four terms. S stand for science, T technology, E, can anyone help me? Engineering, good, and M, mathematics. So these four terms or the four words is very important for creative mind. And in every aspect of life, we need certain ideas, and those ideas can be implemented or not. It can be a hypothesis, later on can be a theory. But it is all possible when we have STEM in us. So STEM education in India refers to learning and teaching in four key areas. Those key areas, what I mentioned here is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. STEM education is being promoted through certain initiative like you heard maybe Atal Tinkering Lab is one of the initiative. Then Digital India. Then our National Education Policy 2020, which encourages the skill-based and multidisciplinary learning to the students and teachers. Let me tell you the importance of STEM for children. It develops critical thinking, like what she has already mentioned. It builds the practical skills, encourage innovation, create better career opportunities, just like engineering, medicine, artificial intelligence, space science. The role of STEM for to support the Vikasit virus, that is called Develop India, by creating skilled professional, then boosting the research and innovation, making India globally competitive. Now, what is the role of STEM for Atmanirbhar Bharat? That means self-reliant India. So, STEM is essential for Atmanirbhar Bharat because it reduces dependence on foreign technology. You know that to make any type of device, sometimes we need certain type of chips or technology that we used to bring from other countries. But STEM will reduce this dependence on other countries. It encourages Make in India innovation. It helps students become job creator instead of job seeker. It promotes startup and entrepreneurship. STEM helps children think logically and ask questions and find solution instead of just answering or learning how to answer. You know, like in the class, sometimes teachers come and explain about the topic. Clear? So some students, they ask that we need notes. We are actually giving notes, personally I feel, is a wasting of time. Because once the lecture is given, what is the concept is clear to you or not. If the concept is clear, you try to make your own notes. When you make your own notes, that means you are developing that creative mind. Otherwise, you will be depending on the teacher.
Kathem riboy kalasdang banmat ikajing kerdu tendong gas LPG na kajing bompoy tikana ki LPG syakaniga district. Kawan Kar Gas Agency kabajipan biang tendong LPG na do umling hado umsen riboy district kalashim jing ban penbiang LPG syakilong ying kabajushim gas naka. Kitara jang ka agency uba PM1 Kar bat kakong S Marbanyang kilait ho bakani kajing kalami na kajing bom 1 poi ki LPG hakini kisngi. Kilakarpat ya kasorkar bat ikibor Sanchar district banle halor kani kajing kanang bagipat ba kinyo ya ki LPG kum Jylla. Kilakarpat ru ikilong ying ki bajushim LPG na kani ka agency banum sngot ho bakla namar na kaliang jong ka one car gas agency kala le shitam ban wat kilat kilinti ban penbiang ya jingdon kam jong ki pai pa ka kong mar ban yang kala thu babun kinong wat gas kilawan juk office jong ka bat la shem jing e ban jibab na ka jing bom poi LPG hakini gisni
BPL में और इसो सुने ये कि बाकी बार कोई बपली और या kata ban nimla ban aya ka gas ni so yumbe ki kinum so e gen kambe e takaliang ka jongi bangile ni ki ngi ka bangila ni promise ki bangile man pendiang kat bala ki ken ko ta ke kinum so ye ken ni ka maka agency as far as possible de ni ane i bang pendiang ni ki ken bapli ya apa kadang kum kena ka crisis de ni so si ken ni do Okay, nag-overview haba baro khati ke asabul of Meghalaya dari India di asabul ia dunai ken dapat orang kamtakin kalau kita sama ni lah pun kena ke Jylla demi ke tuna kita ngomong ke Shillong tingkah babut datang alut ini mah yang pendapat kita sama tadi bahasa ban bikin booking dulu ke penjara kasi hadu sabusan sini tak bamin shwa tang aku sini ila dah yo mentang tu kata saya sem jenjari kini ki beri kamtan ni kitu ki bayo ya ka PMUY ni kita dorong kendong ki bopli ki dawan nang jengai ki bayo gas opi ke kalau kata government jadi bentuk ki kan kita bentuk jadi kan problem ni le jadi kita kinong sam kinong ai kinong le dingi kuat ki meni ai ka satisfaction ni customer ki beli ngim stock and rashmi Rashmi ngim dan stok issue yang ni dan ngim dan stok kami ngim stok issue. Dia ngim lah mana dan stok. Kita ngim phone tinggi open net kan, oh ini susah ya ki customer. Apa ngim lah mana lagi? Ni hak bagi akat kum rule juga IOC. Kumbalapan, oh ini man kapot ki pape ini ke message. Mungkin kan bagi dia bentuk ki hak ken kena naka. Piap ken naka naka kat Shillong kat no piap ken juga substance ni dan hin habuk hak itu nombor ke pegelaan. Bagi apa itu dah singila ready bandai ki. So far the foto ande rusmi. Ada government
norms
ya. Yo ini kan. Ini meeting nanti isi apa?
Around 7,000 customers.
7,000.
Jylla and 5 kg cylinder also. Around 7,000 above 300 customers.
What kind of gas do you provide for the customers?
It's 14 kg we have, and rather than 14 kg we have 5 kgs also. But for the time being we don't have any stocks. Where 14 kg we have 20 cylinders. In emergency cases we have given for some emergency purpose if anybody is if they are suffering from very crisis. Then
Kinong penya jong kamangkathyang Makdo Memorial Secondary School nong nup umpawin kabadon hamaulas nai Ripoy District. Kalapelong ya ke school sports kabelasdang ha ke katnyo terik Lber batkut ha ke arpau terik ha ke bagi kena school gila shimenta da ke jingshong shit ke bakra. Ya kini ke school lasdang da ke kur Makdo house nem arjarsan tang de ki arpusan ngot ki kena school bat lai ngot kinong hikai. Minta kini ke school ke laroi bat kiu sheprang da ke jingdon hadu sanspa arpusan ngot ki kena da du nursery hadu class 10. Kinong hikai kidon minta katnyo ngot. Ke school ke lapa ele eksamen matrik minta lasans nem kinti bat hadu minta ki lapas lut baro. Ha ke sengi sedang ye kini ke school sports subabu Joseph Makdo president ke Sengkur Makdo bat we ni kinong sedang ye kini ke school ula ai ke jingkeren pediang ngobha ya baro ke belawan ban pensingan ha kini ke sengi. Ubak belas rembai ula long ukongsan bat ubak bawan Makdo kum sembut kongsan. Ha ke jingkeren peli ubak belas rembai ula yero ikinong penyat jong kini ke school kibala pelong ya kum kini ke school sports ha ke sin ke bakatan riu. Ula kentu iki kena school ban ia jik jing puli bat raikut ban pendap iki namar ke jing start ke pelilat ya kalawai bepernai ha ki bebon ki liang jong ke jing embrio. Ulas nengi ki kena skul ban kiar na gijing penshoy ha ki drop ha ki jing penbiet bam yo kam yo jam. Ha ka sengi penwai ye kini ke school sports uba isnei hinge em ke KHDC ulalong ukongsan bat uba kenjo rang tong kum ukongsan benrap. Ha ka jingkren ha ki kena skul uba kenjo rang tong lekin tui ki kena skul ban buram bat ban nyokor ya ki jingtere shitom jong ki kemi ki kpa. Uloong kam mentoy bantai mot ya ki kemi ki kpa anda ki layap kat ba ha kapor bekidang im ki syapet iben ha ki khon ki kti. Kat ba uba isnei hinju layaro ya ki jingbet jingrenti ha baro ki activities be Philippine ling ba kani ke school sports. Ulapan pauru ke jingero ya ki kemi ki kpa ki bela kershan bor ba ban penang penstat ya lagi khon ki kti. Hakani ke sengi penwai ya ke school sports lepliru ya ki kamera kelas pertamai bala Beijing lot da ke MP Local Area Development Scheme na Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon bala kelab no dangshen. Hakani ke school sports amtang ki kena ki bele kai Henry ki kemiru ki lahir Shamadan ban Shimenta ha ke jingakop tan telai le ni ke tak afwa ke bala penyak biet ya baro ki bala saki ya ke jing klan jongki.
Bat ya ki kimi ki kpa bat ya baro ba kata itu khana ka hikaya ngaipi ba kamen to ibang intaimat ya ki kimi ki kpa ki jungi ya ki no hikaya ki jungi onda kala thap no na kapathe bang intaimat ya ki kimi ki kpa di ki mau iba remdor iba godor halum jingtap Henry ka bangakwa mo nang tolong bangidang kaman taimot ya ki kimi ki kpa kat ba kedang im ha kapathe ba pinong kaman gongu Mangongus neng ki kimi ki kpa, mangongus neng ya kinong hikay. Le ya kay ko bhatang kabaki ki kwa na kabanta kalaway hi ki jompi ki jonga. Kata ka jitu khana ka mga kwa na du man ban kren. Ha ka di siya kanong day kita ka subject Henry ka mga yo shi mi ne kabuk siar ban kren hakmat jompi ki hep ki pare. Ba kata jitu khana kisin ha ko ka por. Ladon away kalonging ba kita ki kimi ki kpa ki don tangway khun shinrang ki juki kiri the men sim hadu kata ido khun juki mana kapor ukpa ba kimi chisin chisnem ki jolam melikai shaki way pat kishnong yagaban sham shanka yo khun juki hakaba kata ka kimi kadai ka bas niudur bat ka bomdon shu ka way ka khmat kari ka pendap ka penbyang ya utaw khun shinrang ba maroi ki joka hadin ba khpa ulak hak na kapathe ka penang penstat ka tres tom na ka bentaw khun henry ka pa mi kisngi kiya utaw khun udang se dang san bat ka jingpule ka junguru ula he lasan lese kalong kum hakni ka shnong ka bi ki jungi anda lopoi ki jingpule ka ba khamshaneng khamshalor akmi kala pha no yo khun mani pule sha ki khapsor bat ki school ki ba khamhe ka jingdon jung tau khna ya kata ka determination ka jingkut jingmut uda pule sutom hadu ba dolong kum officer henry ka ba susi kalong ba umkwa shu ban yo ir jong kimi umkwa shu ban wan shala shnong namar kadi ke shnong nung kendong bat ru ka kmi jungu kadi ke baduk bat ke bas niudur hadu kata kabom dong khmat henry ka kmi ha ka jingi jau khun ka kwa balai kendu jau jau khun ha man kiski paman ki por henry kam dong nak dolinti kam tip hiru pandai shagre ke jakasor ha ka wai kiski ha bala kendu ya wai rambashnong kalong rambashnong bi subhase yalam menga bekendu ya khun ubodon ha kata ka office ka behe ha ki ha po source henry ta rong basnong umsem la kentat ya ka ban yalam ya kata kimi nanong kendong ka kimi ka bas niudur bat ka lok kimi ka baduk ka ba jenjar ha bala kiraya ha ko kelech sha kata ka office ha ko
Ka Khasi Students Union ha ka arpau teri Lber arjar arpun riu kala rakhi ka lingko sapu pras nem nadu bela sengya ka house nem khat kendai spa nyo pupra Hakani ka lungko snem kinoy lambat ki dikot ka KSU kila pelong ye ka jingelang belengkot Hakmat ka Office Embos ha ka jingidon lang kinoilam chong ka Central Executive Council CEC kinoilam na ki unit bat district bat ki dekwat chong ka seng. Shwaban sedang ye ka jingilang lapelong ye ka jing sngap jar kum shibenta ban ken mau buram ya kinoilam ki bala seng ya ka KSU ha ka juk kapor ban ken mau ya kinoilam ki bala klat no na kani ka perthai bat kitu ki bala shong thai.
Kerpang ia ki lat pathai Khubor ki dai ki ta ki paya pasau chong ka sanchar khadar ki baju pen priang bat sam ya ta ka jingtep ki podo persnam hakeleng jong bri nyu trap kalau ta ki mat ki jura ki bakum ka seng ka jusim bakum ka seng ka jukren na Khubor sau ho pradri ki snam la stepno andrei ka jingyai lenti jong ki isu kaya telun na Khubor kinong kren na basa kamat lapan kemau ya ki kimat ki bakum ka seng ka ship bakum ka seng ka yat ki kisnam na soban long akum kini klemat akum kini kasgi ka bakerpang ka bakisu sabu prasnam manswa kalami shamadan om nam ta ka jing suba om ta ka jing suk om ta ka jing keman lagi samla jo ki isu ki jumi madan pansha ya ta jing tenju pansha ta jing jenjar rengkat ki jauh umat jauh senam tanggawai ka thong galong wai ka jaj mareu from de sha te marang kadi ka singi ka bayai pen kamau yingi iwai pe wai kumi khun samla jong ka jaj mareu kham tam ki khot jong ki isu ne sha khamat ka jingai de ti ka kumnu yuni ya kendu handai tanggawai ka nogrem ka baskam ni apan don ka jing syakri ya kri ba ka jaj mareu kadi lamba kita ki jinge jik tenju bobor kadi kum ki samla ni hab sung tu ka thong jong wai po wai samla ka dai ban skam ka nogrem wat pata ka pleng jung tak tenju oper oper sibon kimat ki jura ba kum ka seng ka jukren na ka Khubor na jukren bat nga je pen kelmau man ki isu ba per ki ba kum ka seng ka sem bat je pen snow sarkar ta ki powdeli ki snam le kren pang ka tau pot usam pang ka jing song skam jong gari ba ka jai pen riu pang ka ta ka puli ka puthi jing don kam ki samla po jong ka jai pen riu ka wai hendai ba sosi galong teng kai ka jubab ngiyo ko mi kun samla kri tang jing rung along jong ki khot na ka Khubor dai ken mau tang ka wai ka hing bendi jong ka sarkar kam dai ka suset ya kiri sne undai nga sembat ngaung berbo apa kari ka skul ba jong ki samla ko juprang ya ta ka mensim ejri ka mensim lana de ban ya sha ban lana de namta ki mat ki jura jong kari ba ka jat tu ko wai ngabiya khak bang yang akum kini ka singi man kan mau ya kini ka singi tempang ka singi bala suit ka short ya ki su bro ko wai kan mau ki snam ki man shwa ka jubab pengiyo teng kalong ka jing krau kamet jong kinong yalam bat ko lapan kemau kinong kren bakal klonnya bro la dondo ki kap wasien la hapan ra je kamet yap ki khot na benta ki jing syakri ki jong ki ya kari ba ka jai pergawai om tang ha kuli jong sarkan dai la shat khat do jika mesim ba kodol jing khot ha ki ti jong ki mendia ka jing kali galong ayu ko ki samla jong ka jai pendeu ngin jubab syak pateng ke bansawan ringa soban dong lara ni em ta kaya em ta kisni ki bangi sukot tangia kedok ting kurs tangia paj madong ioi weng somorong ka jaj pendeu cisen ka sngi ka syaklun bat sencar hakinung
Bat da kini ki Khubor ngilapoi shika bakut tat haduk pindah syam yang kublai shibon.